How to create QR code for WhatsApp. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So there is a website named qrcode.monkey.com where you can generate QR code for your several applications or several websites. Simply type this URL or just search for QR code monkey, then open this, and over here you have to add your WhatsApp link. The link should be like this: https colon backslash wa.me slash your phone number. Simply put on that URL and select WhatsApp from the app sections, and from there you will be done. You can simply download that QR code as a PNG file and share it with your friends, family, or whoever you want. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.